Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the very first wood project I've really ever built, especially in this house. My very first project was actually a beer pong table at Arizona State University. This is the first real project, real tools, real staining, all of that. If you're curious about what colors we used for this, we used a red mahogany, a dark walnut, and then just an oak finish for the lighter color ones. I'll throw a picture of it up right here. You can also find these in the descriptions below to get the same exact look. You can see some of the leftovers here. None of these were clear coated afterwards and they still look beautiful. Adding a clear coat finish will shine them up a little bit, make them easier to clean. But yeah, that's them. You can see it's a bar here. And the reason we built this in this room in the first place is because of these dogs, right? We wanted to separate that room where we hung out with this room here, which is kind of their room where they can do their thing, and we were gonna have a little door here, but we never really needed it. The dogs are really good puppies, so they have free range of the house for the most part, and so we don't need this anymore. We want to re-laminate these floors in here, turn this into a movie room, and this just takes up way too much space. So what we're gonna do is dismantle it, take apart all these boards here. You can see it's on both sides. And we're going to apply it to this wall here. So we're actually going to put nearly real shiplap and just frame encase this corner here. Alright, so now we're just down to the framing. We can reuse some of this wood for other things. And here's that side of it. Doesn't look like much now that it's taken apart. But all of this here, these side pieces, will actually fit perfectly. It's 28.5 inches here. Those pieces are 28.5 inches. So we got super lucky on that. Okay, so similar to the way that we did the other shiplap in the house with the fake plywood shiplap, we're gonna be putting spacers between this wood as well because it's all wood. It's gonna expand depending on humidity and temperature and all that stuff. This one is right by an exterior door, so you're gonna get a lot more of that than you would elsewhere in the central part of the house. So here, I'm out of nickels. I don't keep change around. We actually deposited a bunch of it. But what you can also use instead of using nickels is just, it probably won't focus on this little thing, but just a screw or a nail, right? You just put the little nail in between here. Actually, I already have one right there. You can see a little nail sticking out, and that gives you the perfect gap that you need. There's another one over there. So I'm just gonna stick this one in there, and that gives me my spacing that I need. Alright, we are now pretty much done with this entire shiplap wall here. As you can see, we didn't go all the way up, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of framing around the top and around the corners here to just kind of cap everything off. make it look slick and finished, and it'll be just like a little halfway up shiplap wall. Really happy about it. And as always, tell me what you thought about this video in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and remember to give me a like. Thanks.